Hey everyone, so in this video I'll show you how to revive your dead Clawdbot. So a lot of you have probably experienced issues with your Clawdbot and you just don't know how to fix it. So from this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your broken Clawdbot, broken Openclaw, whenever you want to, and revive him completely. So these are the different types of errors that you might have seen: disconnected, internal error, device identity required, gateway token missing, classic one, device token mismatch, pairing required, etc. So these are all very common issues, and honestly they are super easy to fix. The only thing you need to do is you use Claude. So here we're in my terminal. If you don't know what a terminal is, it's basically like the motherboard of your computer. You can control everything through the terminal. Now the only caveat is that you need to know the different commands to use in the terminal. Now don't worry, I'm going to provide you all of the commands that's in the description in order for you to solve this properly. A lot of you probably do not have Claude installed. If you do not know how to install this, I'm going to show it to you now. So to get Claude installed, you go to Claude docs. The link will be in the description as well. And you're going to see these different types of commands. Now, if you're on Mac, you're going to use this one. If you're in Windows, you're going to use this one, etc. Now, when you download it for Mac, it's very important that you actually put sudo in front and then the command. The reason why is so that you can download this on an admin layer. So you're just going to copy paste this in your terminal and then you'll follow all of the steps. It's very easy. So you just press enter. I already have Claude installed, so it's not going to work for me. But yeah, you just have to do this. Now, let's say if you do an error in the text that you wrote, don't try to click with your mouse and try to delete it. Like, that's not going to work. You have to literally go to the end and then one by one delete it. Now, let's say you have a long line and you want to have a new line, then you just do Control-C together at once and then it just opens a new line. So this is just a little bit of tricks that, to be honest, if you're not a coder, you would never really know how to do this. So the next thing to do is to write Claude, and what this will do is open Claude code. If you're not logged in, you just have to put /login, and then you choose with your subscription. If you don't have a subscription, I recommend you to get one, because otherwise you're going to be spending way too much with API tokens. So you do /login, and then here you have access to Claude code. So if you have already used So if you have already used Openclaw or Clawdbot, then Claude code works exactly the same. You're just going to message Claude code with whatever you need. So like, let's say now, well, I need to fix my Clawdbot because if we go to it, we're going to see it's offline and I don't know the reason. It's not even telling me the reason. I don't even know what happened. So it's offline, it's not working. I can go to the chat. It's disconnected from the gateway. Everything is broken. Like, what do I do? Everything is broken. Like, what do I do in this case? My Clawdbot, my Openclaw died and I need to revive it. So very easy. I'm going to go to Claude code, who is like the savior coming to rescue my Openclaw. And I'm just going to tell it basically, hey, I'm just going to talk. Hey, my Openclaw died. So you're going to check what I have installed on 127 dot. And I want you to identify the reason of the error and why I cannot connect to it anymore. I need your help. I need you to fix it. Please fix it. If you don't know what Openclaw is, do some research and then you'll find it on my files because I downloaded it on my computer. And then you just press that and then you can press enter. And now it's going to do its thing and it's going to revive our Openclaw Clawdbot. Now, if you don't know about the app that I just used, it's called Whisper. So this is how you write it. So Whisper Flow. Now Whisper Flow is amazing because I can just talk and then it's going to transcribe it into text. So I can do so much things much quicker. And also I highly recommend that you use Whisper Flow to even chat with AI. Not only Clawdbot, but also Claude Code, Lovable, or Claude, ChatGPT on the website, Codex, whatever, because you're going to get much more things done because obviously typing takes longer, but also you'll be able to be more creative and you'll be able to articulate your ideas much better. So I highly recommend that you download this. You can also download it for your phone actually. But yeah, that's basically how this works. And now what we're going to do, in this case, we just press enter. Yes, I want to proceed. No need to really look into what it's doing. It's just going to fix itself. I mean, you don't really have any other option. You can run a command with, I'll show the command after, but you can run a command which is basically this command, Openclaw, and then it's like something like doctor fix, and that can also help you, but it's not gonna fix itself. So I really recommend that you just do the Claude Code method, and then this is just a bonus skill that you can learn, is how to use Claude Code directly. So let's just finish. So let's just wait for this to finish. Should take 1 more minute or less. So it's actually doing research on what Openclaw is. And then basically this, we should be able to refresh. As you can see, it completely died now. But yeah, let's just wait a bit for this to finish. Okay, so as you can see here, good. I have a full picture of your Openclaw setup. You're running 3 instances. That's correct. Let me diagnose why you can't connect. So let's just go on 2. Don't ask again. So they're completely dead. So now it's checking the gateways, which is correct. So now it's checking the gateways, which is correct. I'm missing the gateway token. I already know the issue. It found the issue, apparently. Let's just press yes. So let's just press yes. Okay, so let's see. The logs tell the full story. Last activity, midnight, and shut down gracefully. The launch agent services got unloaded. So this likely happened because someone ran launch boot out or Openclaw gateway stop, which I did to do this video. So I killed my Openclaw Clawdbot in order to demonstrate this. But yeah, basically now it's going to just relaunch everything and everything's going to work. So I highly recommend you to start leveraging Claude Code for this, because you're going to not only learn an amazing skill, but also you can just easily fix everything. So yeah, there you go. So now if I go back here and I refresh, we're back online. There we go, and then I can text, hey. So while we wait for a reply here, I just wanted to show we have a full SOP. So this, what an SOP is basically a step-by-step instruction on how to set up Clawdbot, Openclaw on your computer. We have the local computer setup, so it literally goes through every single setup to do this. How to set it up in Slack, how to set up in Meta Ads so that you can read your ads. Winter API, which is similar from Meta Ads, just very much easier. Go high level directly, and we also have some different use cases. Monday.com, which is a project management software. Google Drive, which is super important if you want to find files, edit files, get data from files. And then we also have some optimization prompts that you can just feed into your AI to just make it better. And on top of that, we also have the VPS setup, which if you want, you can also just do it. So yeah, I just explained everything, how it works. So essentially how this works, for people who don't know what a VPS is, it's a virtual private server, so it's on your cloud. Now, in terms of security, this is amazing because you don't need to install it on your personal computer, and you don't need to buy another computer to have your Clawdbot running on it. So that removes that risk. However, there's a lot of limitations with it. One, it's going to be slower, and two, you're not going to be able to do all of the functionalities of what a computer can do, which I find which is, yeah, it's kind of a limitation, but it's not necessary. And then basically how it works is you speak with Slack, Telegram, Discord, whatever, and then that basically talks with your VPS where the Clawdbot runs on, and then it fetches the data from whatever you connected it to, and then it returns the answer and shows it in Slack, Telegram, whatever. So yeah, we show all of this for a school that we made. So here we have different integrations, different videos, so how to connect Openclaw to WhatsApp, to Slack, to ClickUp, to Gmail, to Discord, to NA10, to Monday. So yeah, feel free to join this Discord. It's in the description as well. And then yeah, we can see the bot replied, "Hey, what's up?" So everything is working correctly, and that's how you fix your Openclaw Clawdbot whenever you need to fix it. No more headaches, no more searching YouTube tutorials. Like, this is probably the best and most straightforward YouTube tutorial that you're going to find. And the secret is just talk with your Claude code and it'll fix itself. So yeah, hopefully this was useful, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.